Call it Officer Hernandez.
Who?
Officer Hernandez. I work at 10 at the left.
Oh, bitch. Hey, you was all messed up, huh?
Yeah, you try to get any of these crackheads to help you out.
No wonder the families ain't up on it.
Apart from Smoke, Sweet, and you know yours truly. Rose Street don't bang no more.
Yeah, just get blown.
Hey, Smoke, let's just cruise through the hood and find us somebody selling. Bushes, Grove Street OGs come to do damage.
Grove Street going down.
Into these motherfuckers.
This is. Man, I'm getting the nut up in a minute. Man, coming in my hood. Let's do it. Come on. Ballers know Grove Street families on their way back up.